Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set live wallpapers on your Chrome tabs using Wallsflow. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will open a submenu with additional options related to managing your Chrome extensions. From that submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is where you can browse and install various extensions and add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. The Web Store is packed with useful tools, and Wallsflow is one of them that'll make your new tabs look fantastic. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in Wallsflow New Tab, then press Enter to search. This will bring up the Wallsflow extension in your search results. Go ahead and click on the Wallsflow New Tab extension from the results to open its details page. On the extensions page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on that button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will now be added to your Chrome browser, and this usually takes just a few seconds. Now, to see your new live wallpaper in action, open a new tab in Chrome. You'll immediately notice that your new tab now displays a live wallpaper instead of the standard Chrome New Tab page. This gives your browsing experience a fresh, dynamic look that's much more visually appealing. On the right side of your new tab, you'll see a small left arrow icon. Click on that arrow to access the Wallsflow settings panel. This is where you can customize your wallpaper experience and explore different options for your tabs. Within this settings panel, you'll see an option that says Download More Wallpapers. If you want to browse through a collection of pre-made live wallpapers, you can click on that option. However, for this example, we're going to personalize it even more by uploading our own wallpaper. Click on Upload Wallpaper instead. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate through your folders to find the video or image file you want to use as your live wallpaper. Once you've located your desired file, double-click on it to select and upload it. The file will be processed and applied as your new live wallpaper on all your Chrome new tabs. And that's it. You've successfully set up a live wallpaper on your Chrome tabs using Wallsflow, making your browsing experience more personalized and visually engaging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.